This is the mirror, and this mirror is having some velocity 5 meter per second. Angle is given 37 degree. Clear? And this is
Yes,
our
sir.
object. This object is moving 2√2 meter per second, and this angle is how much? 45 degree. So take the component of velocity. How much here? One velocity in this direction, one velocity will be in this direction. If this is 5, then how much here?
4, sir.
4. How much here?
3 there.
Clear? Similarly here,
2.
here.
2 again, sir.
See this parallel component. Now I want to know, here is our image. See this component, this velocity component of the object is parallel to mirror surface. Clearly?
Yes.
Whether mirror is object, whether the mirror is moving or at rest, it will not affect. Clear? It always be 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Here mirror velocity is given. Don't confuse. The 3 meter per second does not have any effect. Clear? It always be 2. Now main question is velocity of one formula. Velocity of mirror is equal to, this is perpendicular velocity. Velocity of object perpendicular to the mirror surface. Velocity of image perpendicular to the mirror surface divided by 2. Clear? Now tell me which
Yes.
component of velocity is perpendicular to mirror?
4 meter per second.
Plus. Now velocity of object perpendicular to the mirror surface.
It's 2 meter per second.
Very good. Plus I want to know how much this.
So answer will be 6 meter per second, sir.
Yeah, it is 6 meter per second. Plus 6, okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Here. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
velocity
Yes.
of image will be 6i plus 2j. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Same, very easy question. And if they are asking the magnitude, under root
I got
6 square
confused by
plus
that.
3 square, 2 square.
2.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to start a topic named spherical mirror. So before showing you this, I just want to start the topic. First is plane mirror. What we have learned. Plane mirror. So diagram of plane mirror is like we have drawn like this. This is plane mirror. Now what is concave mirror? Just see the diagram only. Concave mirror. It is like that.
Curved inwards.
Like this. This is polish. Similarly, convex mirror. it will be like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I think you already know this thing. In class 7, 6, 7, this is being taught. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
today we will learn what is spherical mirror. So in your mind, just imagine, just imagine a spherical mirror. First of all, a spherical mirror is just like a sphere. Our Earth. Clear? Our Earth is also a sphere. Did you imagine that?
Yes, sir.
Now imagine in your mind, I will draw a sphere. This is the sphere. Clear? This sphere is made up of glass. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And if this is a sphere, then there must be a center. Clear? If you don't able
Yes,
to
sir.
imagine, like I can draw 3D also. This is the surface of the sphere. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Similar at the back, similar here. And it is a sphere. And center is, this is a center. Clear? Now from the center to this distance, this is the radius of the sphere. Everywhere, radiuses are clear. Now what is concave mirror? Concave mirror simply means if you polish, this mirror is glass. Clear? Glass means transparent. Clear? So if you polish this bulging part like this, if you polish the surface, then this mirror is called, and if you cut like this, if you cut this mirror, this is the, from the sphere, you just cut a section of the sphere like this and do the polish on the bulging part. Then this is known as, after cutting you will get what? I will show
Concave mirror.
like this. You will get a mirror. Polish will be here. Clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
this mirror is known as concave mirror. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
And what about the convex mirror? If you polish, if you polish the inner surface, then this is known as convex mirror and cut like this. Then you will get a section of the mirror like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is known as convex mirror. And this is concave
Concave.
mirror. Any doubt?
No, sir.
What is this? This is like cut. We are cutting. Here we are cutting like this. Now, in case of convex mirror, our reflecting surface, this is the reflecting surface. It is like that. While in case of concave mirror, this is the reflecting surface. Any doubt up to this point?
No, sir.
So first we will see what is the meaning of convex mirror. Sorry, concave. First we will learn concave mirror. All the terminologies I will explain. Okay. Imagine this figure in your mind. Okay. Don't forget. Now I will draw concave mirror. Understand? Like this you will get. Is it so? After cutting,
Yes, sir.
if you cut any sphere, you will get hemisphere,
Yes, sir.
and you have polished this surface. Any doubt?
No, sir.
See, this is the reflecting surface. Clear? And what is this? The middle point of, first of all, I will explain what is this. This is this disc shaped is known as aperture. 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 Clear? This disc
Yes, sir.
shaped is known as aperture, and this is the center of this aperture. From the center to this is known as radius. Clear? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
This is r, or we can say this is known as diameter of aperture. I can't draw here, simply this entire thing from here to here, it is known as aperture. Now what is the function of this aperture? First of all, understand aperture control how much light will enter or strike the reflecting surface. So you can write this aperture decide how much light enter the mirror or strike the reflecting surface. Clear? more the aperture, more is the amount of light entered into the mirror, and more will be the brightness. Clear?
Yes,
Brightness
sir.
of the image, and vice versa, means reverse. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is very, very important. This aperture is like this is aperture. For example, this is aperture. If aperture is less, it will allow less light. If aperture is more, it will allow more light to enter. So if aperture is very high, then more light will come and strike the reflecting surface. So aperture is more light will strike the reflecting surface. Clear?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt? But
No, sir.
we do not want more our aperture to be very, very big, because if aperture is very, very high, very, very big, it should be big, but it should not be that much big, so that there is some defect arises in a mirror. I will tell what is the defect. So
Yes.
aperture should be not that much high, otherwise there will be some defects. It should be normal, not very small, not very big. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now I will not draw this shape like this. You should imagine in your mind. Clear? I will draw simply like this. This is the concave mirror. Clear? Now I want to know, this concave mirror is a part of sphere. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Then you will, this is the curvature. This is curve now. This curve is a part of sphere. Now you will make
Yes, sir.
a complete sphere like this. Clear?
Yes,
First
sir.
you will make from which sphere you form this concave mirror. Simply complete a sphere. The center. Now you know where is the center. Center will be here. Clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
This
No, sir.
center. Now see. See only this portion. This is our mirror. Clear? This is our mirror. And the middle. This is the reflecting surface. Middle point. Its middle point will be here. This is known as pole, denoted by P. So what is pole? You can write middle point of reflecting surface. For example, this is the mirror. Its middle point will be here. So this is the pole. So what is pole?
Middle point of reflecting surface.
Middle point of reflecting surface. And what is C? This C is known as center of the curvature. Clear? This C is known
Yes, sir.
as center of center of curvature center of the curvature of what? Of sphere. Clear? Spherical mirror. This center is the what? Center of curvature of the sphere which you have formed. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And this center is the sphere center of mirror also, because mirror is a part of sphere. So we can say this center is the center of curvature. Clear? Now what is center of curvature? You can write center of curvature. Center of curvature is the center of sphere of which mirror is a part. So mirror is a part of this sphere, then center of this will be the center of curvature of mirror. Center of curvature of mirror is the center of the sphere of which mirror is a part. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now what is the line? The line joining
Axis.
the line joining the center of curvature and the pole is known as principal axis. Principal axis. So you can write what is principal axis?
Line joining the center of curvature and the pole.
Principal axis. It is the line joining the center of curvature and the pole. Is called principal axis. Clear? Now
Yes,
next
sir.
is what is radius of curvature? This distance between center of curvature and the R. This is known as radius of curvature. This distance. Radius of curvature. Write down what is radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. It is the distance between the center between C and P. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it any doubt?
No doubt,
No,
sir.
forget. Sorry. It is the radius of a sphere, simply, of which mirror is a part. Clear? Correct it.
Yes, sir.
Because this is not the center. This is not the radius of curvature. It can be the radius of curvature. This is also our any point if you take. This is center radius of curvature. Because in a sphere, radius is same now. For example, this is the center of curvature. If you draw any line like this, it always be perpendicular. Clear? And this is our, this is also our, but pole will be this. This is the pole. And if you want to know from which sphere this mirror is apart, just complete the sphere like this. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you draw any line from the center to a mirror, then it always be 90 degree. This is mathematics. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
if I ask you, for example, this is the spherical mirror and this is the center of the sphere. If I draw any normal, if I draw a normal like this, it always passes through center of curvature.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not telling this, but you should know mathematics, basic mathematics. Any doubt?
No,
So
sir.
tell me if in which case curvature is more. This is one mirror, one more mirror. In which case curvature is more. Here
In the
mirror is
first case. Yes, sir.
here
That
na?
one.
Very good.
No, sir.
If you draw a sphere here, you will get like this. Here you will get a sphere like this. Here you will get very big sphere. Again I am telling, okay. Understood what is the meaning of curvature? Curvature means what, like I am drawing here. For example, if I draw one curve like this, one curve like this, one curve like this, stop. I should draw like this. One mirror like this. Clear? Now tell me which is more flat.
Yes.
This is more
The
flat.
last one is more flat.
This is
Yes,
more
sir.
flat. Then this is more flat. So flatness. The flatness decrease as you going from this mirror to this mirror. Sorry. Here this is more flat. Here can you see this mirror is more flat, less flat, less flat, very less flat. Again I am telling what is the meaning of flatness. See the surface of the mirror. See this surface is more flat. This is less
Sir,
flat,
but
very less flat. This is more steeper curve, like a valley. More steeper, less steep, less steep. So this is more flat, less flat, very less flat. Clear? So now I will complete a sphere. From which sphere this mirror is a part? This is mathematics, okay? This mirror is a part of this sphere. And for this, it is very big. You can't draw. Or like this, it is very big. Now tell me, all these sphere, see this. first, second, third. All are mirror. Every mirror is having common center. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me in which case radius is more.
In the
Clear?
first case, sir. The last mirror.
So R1, I can take this is 4.
And then four, sir.
Very good. Because this is less flat. R4 is greater than R1. Then, so radius of curvature order. What is this? Radius of curvature. So more the radius, clear? Steeper. Steeper, you can write lesser the lesser the lesser the r. It means what? Radius of curvature. Means curvature of curve. More is more flat. More flat will be our curve. Like, did you notice like on a hill like this? Did you notice like this?
Yes, sir.
You saw the such roads. So every curve is having different curvature. So simply I am telling lesser the radius of curvature, more flat or flatness will be more. Clear? And higher,
Yes, sir.
more the radius of curvature, it means more will lesser the flatness. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If the mirror for plane mirror, what is the radius of curvature? This is more steeper,
0, sir.
not 0. If you form a curve from which this sphere is big, very big sphere, it will form. Radius of curvature will be infinite. Clear?
But sir, it is flat, sir.
Yes, it is very flat. Not flat, it is steeper. This is flat. This is flat. Less flat. Very less flat. This is steep. I'm drawing in this way, but it is like that. This is one road. This next road. This is more steeper. This is more flat. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you understand like now tell me, if you want to move on this road, it is very tough to move on this road going up. Here you can easily go. Here very tough. Here very tough. Here most tough. Clear? Why? Because it is this road is very steeper. It is less steeper. This is very less steeper. This is very less, more flat, you can say. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If you want to move on this road, it is very tough. Here little bit easy. Here very easy. Here very easy. Because this is very flat. You can easily go up on this road. So any doubt?
No, sir.
So This meeting will you stop? So,
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
okay, what I have explained. See here. If this is the curve, one curve is this, one curve is like that, one curve is like that, and one curve is, curve means road. You can take this is road.
Yes, sir.
Now, if this is you, any person, clear? And he wants to go up. He want to cross this road. He want to go, for example, you wanted to go from 1 to 2. You want to cross this road. This is road. How many roads are here?
4.
Clear? You want to go up. This is like a Himalaya, like a valley, hills. This hill is more steeper, less steeper, very less. This is more flat, very less steep. So it is very difficult here. Here very easy. Here very easy. Very tough here. So here our radius of curvature will be very high. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir, now it's clear.
Now, did you see one thing? Here aperture, here aperture. Aperture is also high. This is the diameter of aperture, na?
Yes, sir.
See, this is one mirror. It is having this much aperture. Now next, this much aperture. Next mirror, this much aperture. Next mirror, like this. So opening, see, this is the opening. Aperture is very less. See the flatness. More flat. Clear? Aperture is less. Aperture means opening. This is the mirror. See, this is the mirror, back side, and this is the opening from which light is striking. This is the my palm. This is a reflecting surface. So here opening size. Can you see aperture is less? Curve
Yes,
is
sir.
more flat. When aperture is high, flatness decrease. See, it is going more steeper, and finally it is plane. Understood? So
Yes, sir,
aperture
understood.
means simply aperture means what? Aperture aperture means opening. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear, sir.
Okay. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
So today these things are very important. This is a terminology of mirror. Now I will show all the things here. See, did you notice this? Everything is clear here.
Yes, sir.
Did you see the pic carefully?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, now after this topic, and this is the terminology of what I have written till now. I have
Spherical.
discussed terminology terminology of mirror. See, I just draw for concave mirror. Can you draw for convex?
Yes, sir.
Convex mirror will be like that. If I ask you for
Thing will be same except for the polished surface.
convex mirror, how to draw? Simply, this is the polished surface. Then I want to know from which sphere it is formed. Like this. Is it so? So this center, the center of this sphere is known as center of the curvature of convex mirror. This is the pole. This is the
Principal
principal
focus.
axis,
Principal axis.
and any line if you draw, this is radius of curvature and this is perpendicular. Any line it is striking the mirror is radius of curvature. So principal axis is perpendicular to the mirror. This is the reflecting reflecting surface. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So here pole, now this is the aperture. Okay.
Yes,
Opening.
sir.
So I think up to this, any doubt here? Because I want to start new
No
topic
doubt, sir.
today. In the next lecture, we will learn. Now, one thing I forget. See here. This is the concave mirror. This is the principal axis, pole, center. This is radius of curvature. What is this? Focus.
Focus.
And this distance is r by 2.
Focal length.
Yes. So what is focal length?
The line joining the
Not
pole and
wrong.
the
Wrong
focus.
definition. Wrong definition. It is the distance of focus from the pole of the mirror. It's known as focal. So this F, focal length is F is equal to R by 2. But
R by
this
2.
formula is valid only for small aperture. Don't worry, I will start focal length. I will give one general formula. I will give the derivation also. How to derive this, I will tell. But today I
Yes, sir.
want to discuss that. Clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So tomorrow, like I think 17, there is no election. I just ask 19, there is election. Okay. So as usual, tomorrow will be the
Yes, sir.
class.
Sir,
Clear?
your voice was breaking. Sir, can you please repeat what you're saying?
I'm saying like I heard like there is no holiday here. Means tomorrow there is no election. I just ask 19, there will be the election. So 19 will be the holiday.
So tomorrow class is there, sir?
Tomorrow will be the class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I will share these notes. So any doubt, tell me. Slowly, slowly, you will learn all the things.
No doubt.
Okay, okay.
Understood, sir. No doubt, sir.
Understood? Thank you. Shall
Yes,
I
sir.
close?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.